You are not
Am
visible.
I
Yeah.
because of yes. Am I visible now?
No, you are not visible.
Okay, because of recording, it happens sometime.
Okay.
Now, am I visible?
Yeah, you are visible and audible. And am I?
Yes, you are visible, audible, both. Okay, so first of
Okay.
all, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Same to you. I'm good,
How have
and
you been your day so far?
yeah, my day is good. And what about you?
I'm also fit as a fiddle. Now, nowadays I'm not getting more time for practice.
Okay.
I'm
Now your
doing
daughter
practice,
is
but
good.
not. She has done 1 year. Now my daughter is 1 year and her teeth are growing. That's why she
Yeah,
doesn't sleep and she cries sometimes.
yeah, because teeth is increase
Yes, yes, and she feel pains.
pain. Yeah,
Yes, and she does like a very she tease me because of her
yeah,
that teeth.
yeah.
It happens.
Because
Okay.
that time teeth is increase. That time children is teaching other person.
Yes, yes. Okay, we are talking after long time. You know that.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think one conversation we did.
yeah,
This is our second conversation.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so after doing conversation, how are you feeling? Before conversation, you were feeling better, or after making conversation?
Yeah, now this time, if you talk about this time, I'm feeling better because that time you don't any make video, any conversation. That time you like fear. You have fear. What
Yes, yes,
what is thing other person about me? But if you make any conversation, that time you feel very good because your fear
yes,
is
yes.
go little bit
Yes, yes.
and you
You know
confident.
that conversation is good for getting confidence and removing hesitation. If you have
Hesitation.
hesitation, you want to get confidence. And conversation is not only enough for becoming fluent.
Yeah,
You have to do something else also. You can do solo videos, you can go for that.
yeah,
If we make solo videos, we prepare, we take some vocabulary, we use them, then we try to speak one time, two times, three times. So by that it comes, if we have learned any vocabulary, it comes automatically.
yeah.
So
Because
both are
that time
important.
editing anything
Yes, yes,
properly.
yes, yes. And you know that you should make solo videos also. Try to make. It is also good.
Yeah, I want, but now this time my phone is some problem, have some problem, so
Yes,
that's why
yes.
I can't.
Or you know that in if you are making solo video, in that you do not need internet while making video.
Yeah, yeah. Because
Yes,
you only make video, only record video.
yes, yes. And sometimes it happens that we are making conversation and that person has no good internet, so we just waste our time.
Yeah, yeah,
So in that we do not face this type problem. Nowadays I'm not getting time for solo videos. Solo videos take time. It is not
I
like
watched your video, solo video.
yes, yes. For that, we have to prepare 2 or 3 days. Then it can complete.
Yeah, and then you
One day
upload.
it takes for editing. It is not like a
Yeah,
conversation video that we have to not keep anything in that.
yeah, yeah,
Editing, main part is editing. And first we prepare a script, then try to speak one day, and second day it will come automatically, whatever you spoke first day.
yeah. you know I have no I my Skype app is uninstalled. That time we will make conversation uh, one after 1 month my Skype app is uninstalled. I don't know what happened, but that time I messaged you, but you
I
don't
was not
reply
getting,
me.
I
I
was
don't
not
know
getting
what
it.
happened.
In I checked in Gmail ID, then also I did not get your mail.
Yeah,
So
you
that's
message
our.
me. Yeah,
So you are
by
now
comment.
in group, so it is a good.
Yeah,
In
I'm
group,
little bit.
we can get person for making conversation easily.
Yeah, and this time my practice is not good because this time is field work is on, like a mustard cutting and selecting lots of work.
In village, I can understand. In village, we have to do a lots of work, but in city, only we have to cook food and house chores. This thing we have to do.
Yeah,
But in village, we have to do a lot of work and field work and house chores and animals.
yeah.
Yes,
That's why my practice is not good this time.
and we have to wake up early because of animals.
Yeah, I'm also eight buffalo.
Yes, yes. Oh, okay. So when do you wake up in morning?
Yeah, I wake up in 6 o'clock. But this time, because my field work is on off, that time, that's why. But in uh, my field work is on, that time I wake up 4 o'clock
You
in
know,
morning.
8 hours, we should sleep at least 8 hours. It is very necessary for our
Yeah.
health. If
Health.
we do not take proper sleep, so we feel always sleepy and we do not we headache also.
Like
Nowadays, when my daughter born, I do not get proper sleep. I always live like a sleep. I feel always sleepy. I take proper sleep. I
it
wake up,
sometimes
not wake up
sleepy and
early.
in night she wake up.
Yes, she wake up like a 4 or 5 times, and I
Yeah,
sleep at 12 o'clock. If we sleep at 12 o'clock, we cannot wake up early.
yeah.
She
Because
also sleep at 12
I
o'clock.
understand I understand very well because I have two kids.
Yes, yes.
Like,
I wake up sometime at 7 o'clock and 7:30. This time I have a habit. If suppose I do not sleep, I get headache,
and
and
sometimes
I
children
don't like to sleep
wake
in
up
afternoon.
in
And some people I have seen they take sleep in afternoon. They take a
yeah.
nap, but I do not like. If I will take sleep, who will do edit my video?
Because
Who will make conversation? Who will do this? Who will handle my channel? And it is also not good. Whenever one day I sleep in afternoon,
you
what happened with me?
you have to get
I feel headache.
yeah all now I know
Yes,
because
yes,
you have to hard work this time.
yes, yes.
That's why
And
we
that
feel
in
headache.
afternoon we should not sleep. It is not good. It is unhealthy, in my opinion.
Yeah,
And we
yeah.
should do exercise in morning. Yoga, exercise. It is healthy.
If you
But in
do
village, I can understand.
can't you don't feel like a hesitation and you headache problem.
Yes, yes, yes.
मेरे पास रखने मैं दूंगी ना हाँ दूंगी Still,
For
my
children. Yes, yes.
my son wake up अंदर जाओ मैं दे रही हूँ ना जा चल आओ अंदर जा
Okay.
दूर मत मत
You know that now my daughter, if now she is sleeping, if she wake up, see, I cannot make conversation. I had to give outside her. If I speak, she also try to speak. And some
yeah
children I have seen, they sit silently in lap our mother. And my daughter, she cannot sit
my
silent.
daughter is sick for 2 days so that's why they are only mama
Yes, yes. And now my daughter, she observe whatever I say. If I say, that this is I, she say I. And if I say clap,
yeah
so she does clap. Hello, she
you
know
know
that how to hello.
if you see with them then we will one day we will speak same like a
Yes,
English
yes. Yes, so we should teach both language to our children, Hindi and English both. It is not like that we should teach only one language. No, both are important.
Yeah,
But we should
and this
not
time,
provide them bad language.
this time, this time she is little, so catch power is very increased.
Yes, yes. And if she watch that cartoon, that poem, like Chanda Mama. She says Chanda Mama, Mama. She imitates
Yeah,
that. I will watch
yeah,
Mama. So we get it. What is she saying? What is she
yeah,
try? What is she saying to try?
yeah. Because she is catch little
Yes,
bit.
her catching power is very. If she wake up, I say that in Hana. So she say Nana, no Nana, no Nana, like this. Yes. If
Yeah,
we drink water,
sometimes I
always
practice with my kids
yes,
because time if we practice with them like take this, go there, come here, so
yes,
they of this.
they understand. They observe.
Yeah,
What is my mama
yeah,
saying? I also try to speak with her little bit like a word. It is all like what is this? Sleep, go, come here, like this type word I use little bit. We should not
yeah,
use like a big sentence with her because she will not understand. Only simple word we can use.
yeah. Action is good
That
like
is
a
moon,
geo.
sun.
Yeah,
Yes, and
yeah.
that they get, from childhood they learn meaning. What is means of that? It is very
You know,
important, and they will not face problem in future.
yeah. If you make an environment for sea, so that's why this is very good.
Yes, yes,
Did
yes. If I say no, mama, no, no, she says no. If we are saying no, not no, she says no. No, mama, like this. And see, now she can speak mama, she can say papa, mama, this type words she can speak.
you know
And see,
my son?
recognize picture. That is my mama, that is my papa.
Yeah, my son is speak like lisp like lisp. You can say mama, okay, mama, not papa clearly. Sometimes they lisp like speak where just I can English in English. Where are you going? But they mama कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Yes, yes. But you
Like a
know that
lisp speak.
it is not like that. Child is not living always with you. There are many family
Yeah,
members. That's why it happens. If suppose your child is living with you only, that is listening you, then that will speak like you.
yeah. Because
And
that,
when they grown up, then they can understand. If we explain, no, you have to not speak like that, you have to speak like that. Then they will understand. If they are small, so someone is speaking village language, they will catch. If we are speaking,
yeah,
they will catch that language. So they catch all language.
yeah. If if our house anyone will speak in English, then environment is good. But and what you are only you speak English and your mother-in-law and your father-in-law speak in Hindi. That's why they catch both language.
Yes, yes, they will catch both language. But when they will grown up, then they will live with you more.
Yeah, because
Then they will understand. They will ask you, what is means of mama this? What is means? Okay, we will understand them. Okay, you have to speak like that. You have to not speak like that. We can explain them.
yeah,
Now they don't understand. They catch only whatever they get.
yeah. I don't I don't know your video is stuck sometimes.
Maybe network issue.
Yeah.
Now, is it okay?
No, you are not well. Yeah,
Yes, it happens
yeah, you are
sometime,
well.
because of maybe network issue. Your video also gets sometimes stuck. Okay. So if
Yeah.
you have any topic that can you do you have any topic?
No, this time I'm not practicing any topic because I go to I went to field that time, so I'm not prepared.
Okay. So I have a one word. When do you feel regret
I don't
on
know. Sorry,
anything? Regret means pastawa on anything. Explain any
Pachtawa.
incident and anything. Yes, regret. And you think that I could do this, but I did not. Now you feel regret.
Stupid. Yeah, like I want to speak. I want to learn English, but that time I don't learn English, so that's why I regret. I feel regret
Yes, yes.
this time.
Yes, yes. This time,
Yeah,
that time, suppose I could start before 6 years my YouTube channel, but I had no knowledge how to start. And if I started that time, I could grow more. That time, there
yeah,
were no more YouTuber,
yeah,
and we could become more fluent now. So now I feel regret.
yeah. You know, regret. Yeah, because I दीदी इधर रहती है पानी पानी ना रहती टाइम में मानवी गा दे
Yes,
please
it
stop
happens. Okay, so do you want to stop this video?
yeah because children are परेशान
Okay, okay, bye bye. It is enough. 16 minutes, it is enough. Okay, bye bye. It was a nice conversation with you.
yeah
Bye.
take care